potatoes are cleaned and peeled by peeling machine, and cut into French fries by the cutting machine. The French fries enter the high-pressure bubble cleaner, and the mucus and starch on the surface of the fries are rinsed cleanly. The separator separates the short strips and debris to improve the finished yield. Preferably, French fries enter into the blanching machine, which blunting the oxidase in the French fries so that prevent the color browning. After vibrating the dewatering machine, flipping the air dryer, and it can remove water on the surface of the French fries. Dewatering French fries enter into the continuous frying equipment, which using the upper and lower double-layer mesh belt transmission. The process of frying French fries are controlled in the middle of the belt. It avoids the French fries floating and ensures that the production of the finished color bright, consistent taste. After vibrating the oiling machine, flipping the air dryer, and it can remove oil on the surface of the French fries and cool down the temperature of the French fries quickly. Quick freeze French fries after pre-cooling and enter into the freezer to make the French fries quickly frozen. It is easy to keep fresh storage for a long time. Packaging. The finished frozen French fries are quickly and accurately packaged by electronic weighing and then stored in the cold storage